In this video, we will cover 5 basic pertinent topics relevant to 2% LA dose calculation in our day-to-day routine dental practices, namely 2% LA dose calculation for children without epinephrine, 2% LA dose calculation for children with epinephrine, 2% LA dose calculation for adult without epinephrine, 2% LA dose calculation for adult with epinephrine, and 2% LA dose calculation for cardiac patients. 2% lignocaine dose in child without epinephrine. Let us discuss dose calculation of LA. If we are using 2% lignocaine local anesthetic solution without epinephrine, 2% is equal to 20 milligrams per ml of anesthetic solution. Total dose that can be used, maximum dose of lidocaine plain without vasoconstrictor is 4.5 mg per kg of the body weight, and it should not exceed more than 300 milligrams. Example, patient weight is 10 kg. Total dose that can be used for this patient will be 4.5 mg multiplied by 10 kg is equal to 45 milligrams. Maximum volume of lidocaine administered. Example, for 2% lidocaine contains 20 mg of lidocaine per 1 ml of solution. Maximum volume of 2% lidocaine that can be administered to a 10 kg patient will be 45 mg divided by 20 mg per ml, which is 2.25 ml of anesthetic solution. Dose calculation for 2% LA with epinephrine in a pediatric patient. Total dose that can be used, maximum dose of lidocaine with constrictor is 7 mg per kg of the body weight, and it should not exceed 500 milligrams. Example, patient weight is 10 kg, then the total dose that can be used for this patient will be 7 mg per kg multiplied by 10 kg, that is 70 milligram. Maximum volume of lidocaine administered. Example, for 2% lignocaine contains 20 mg of lidocaine per 1 ml. Maximum volume of 2% lidocaine that can be administered to a 10 kg patient is 70 mg divided by 20 mg per ml, which is 3.5 ml for 2% lignocaine with epinephrine in volume. Dose calculation for 2% lignocaine without epinephrine for 70 kg adult. Use the following example to determine the maximum ml, that is volume, allowable using 1% lidocaine in a 70 kg male patient. 2% is equal to 2000 milligrams per 100 ml, which is equal to 20 mg per ml of solution. Maximum dose of lidocaine without epinephrine is 4.5 mg per kg. 4.5 mg per kg is multiplied to 70 kg, and 315 mg of lidocaine for maximum allowable dose in weight in mg is found. 315 mg is then divided by 20 mg per ml, and 15.7 ml of 2% lidocaine solution for maximum allowable dose in ml is found. Thus, it's calculated. Dose calculation for 2% lignocaine with epinephrine for 70 kg adult. Use the following example to determine the maximum ml allowable using 2% lignocaine in 70 kg male patient. 2% is equal to 2000 mg per 100 ml, which is equal to 20 mg per ml of solution. Maximum dose for lignocaine with epinephrine is 7 mg per kg. 7 mg per kg when multiplied by 70 gives 490 mg of lidocaine for the maximum allowable dose in weight milligrams for the patient. 490 mg when divided by 20 mg per ml gives 24.5 ml of 2% lidocaine solution for maximum allowable dose in volume, that is ml. (2% lignocaine dose calculation for cardiac patients). As a higher dose can produce systemic vasoconstriction leading to myocardial ischemia in high-risk cardiac patients undergoing dental procedure. Thus, for cardiac patients undergoing a dental procedure, the dose of local anesthetic which can be safely given with 1:50,000 epinephrine is 2 ml, and with 1:1 lakh dilution epinephrine is 4 ml, and with 1:2 lakh dilution epinephrine is 8 ml respectively.